Hey guys, welcome to EcoHub Digital Empowerment Initiative Training. Today we'll be learning on how to create admission flyers or basically admission posters. Okay, so if you're given a job by a client, let's say you own a printing press, a computer center, or you work at the convenience of your home, and you're being contacted to design an admission flyer by an institution entirely. So this is how you're going to do it if you have no idea. So with the help of ChatGPT, we're going to use this ChatGPT AI to design an admission flyer. So let's go step by step. We're going to give you the prompt of what we want with the basic information. So if you're giving information by the client, you know what to do entirely. So you have to put in the information step by step and make sure the ChatGPT AI understands your prompt entirely. Okay, so let's say you're giving a job. Now we're going to work on something simple here. So do well to follow me and let's see where it takes us. Now, first what we're going to do is to log into our ChatGPT and let's see how it goes. So what I'm going to do next is create image. I'm creating an image as you can see here. Now it's asking us to describe our image. So now I will start writing the prompt, okay? And importantly, one thing I want you to understand also again, as a graphic designer, remember we have portrait design and we have landscape design in graphics. Okay? Now you can design a portrait design and you can also design a landscape design. Remember, you can specify whatever format it's a JPG or a PNG. And also remember you can also specify the let's say the size of the design you want, the length and the width is very essential for your designing. If you want it to maybe 5 feet, 3 by 2, 2 by 3, all those kind of stuff for you to determine the size. Let's say 3 feet by two, uh, just 2 by 1, 1 by 3. Now you have to specify and tell the AI, and this is what I want. I want 3 feet by 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, stuff like that. So the AI, even though you're printing it, it's very very easy for you entirely. Okay, so let's do it. I want to start with my phone now. Hey guys, I've written down a short prompt of what I want. As you can see, I want the school. Okay, admission. Yeah, as admission flyer. Name of school: Eco Hub Digital Empowerment Initiative. Location: number 1 Banana Island, Lagos. Admission availability: JS1 to JS3 and SS1 to SSS3. As you can see, the school website is ede.com.ng, which is Eco Hub Digital Empowerment Initiative.com.ng. Email, as you can see, this is the email address of the school. Available, they are available on Facebook, okay, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Now, this is admission office. This is the contact of admission office, as you can see. So this is the basic information. And in most cases, when clients give you such information, they will probably give you 1 or 2 images of the school or the purple for you to use when designing the flyer so they can appear on the background. But in this case, I have none. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to put in any purple entirely to fit in my design. I don't have any for now. So in the place of this tutorial is what I'm going to do to ask ChatGPT. So in the future, even when you're giving such a job and they didn't give you any purple entirely, so you can ask ChatGPT to add a purple. So these are the basic information I've added, or in your case you might be giving more or less or different basic informations, but this is the information that came on my mind to add in this design. So let's see what ChatGPT have for. As you can see, the image that I've just uploaded, I asked ChatGPT to use it as the school logo. So it's as simple as that. So let's see what ChatGPT have for us as we send the command. Okay, we are still forgetting something. Make the design professional. and mind-blowing. Okay, let it be a 3D model design. I love 3D, that's so real. 3D is super cool, super nice, super cool. I'm going to show you the difference between a 3D model design and a non-3D model design, probably in another video. So let's go, let's see what ChatGPT have for us. As you can see, the design have started. So let's give it time to see what they have for us. Yeah, as you can see, this is a prompt given, and now ChatGPT has given us an amazing design, all in 3D model. As you can see, this is the logo that I gave ChatGPT. As you can see, every single design on the background matches the logo totally. That's what graphic design is all about. Graphic design is basically about color combinations entirely. The colors must match each other, so there won't be any conflict on the background. So if you don't understand how color really works, go back to our class 1 videos and watch them, so you have a fair understanding on how your design ought to look like. Okay, as you can see from the background, as you can see, the AI automatically added the school block image automatically, because in most cases, the client gives you those images, the school, probably the school compound or a school building or a school block, gives you the model students entirely for you to use their images entirely. But since those images weren't added, I asked ChatGPT to extract images and fixing in any way that's necessary. As you can see, that's the design, that is the school environment. Those are the models automatically added by ChatGPT. And as you can see, even the uniforms matches the graphics of the flyer totally. As you can see, this is school admission now open. Admission available from the JS1 to JS3 and SS1 to SS3. As you can see, why choose us? A thing came down with different types of collection: digital first learning, experienced educators, innovative environment, holistic world development. Super cool. As you can see, this is the website. As you can see, that's the email available on Facebook and Twitter. As you can see, that's admission office. Numbers are below. And the location of the school with Banana Island. Now you see cool textbooks. As you see the laptop, as you see this is all this chemistry equipment. Everything is just super cool and super nice. This is a perfect 3D animation flyer. Now, if you are giving a contract by client or whatsoever, this is the perfect design to give your client. As you can see, the typography of this design is so bold. School admission now open. Everything is just so cool. The write-ups really matches the description of the flyer. So in the future, if you have such any issue with such design, you really know what to do. At the end of the video, I'm going to drop the prompt, so you can copy and edit it, or probably use the same information and develop your own. So thank you for following us down to this video. See you in our next video.